This is final boarding call from Beltas 6346 and flight to Perth International. Please proceed to Gate 3 immediately. The final checks are being completed, and the captain will order for the doors of the
Can I go with this?
Let me check your in and passport. Please board to the plane.
This is your captain, and thanks for boarding to Beltas 6346. This flight is Greater Rockford to Perth International. Before takeoff, check your seat belts fastened. Thank you.
Delta 6346 cleared for pushback. Roger, cleared for pushback Delta 6346.
Oh, yes, the plane departed.
Delta 6346 request takeoff runway 36 liters.
Delta 6346 cleared for takeoff runway 36 ill wind 18 knots at 360 degrees.
Roger, cleared for takeoff runway 36 liters wind 18 gets 360 degrees. Delta 6346.
Hello, this is your cabin crew and now serving today's special menu at Chicken.
What
happened?
Come
Is
on.
this
Holy
okay?
shit.
No.
Everyone, the engine is on fire.
What?
Engine's on fire. Can you cut the warning sound?
I will try.
We shall declare emergency.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Delta 6346. We had fire engine 1 and request land at any runway at Perth International. Roger, cleared for land any runway.
Hold the nose up.
Aircraft land.
Aren't that aircraft on fire?
Oh no, the gear collapsed.
Delta 6346 was departed from Greater Rockford Airport and planned to land Perth International. But engine was on fire during flight and did emergency landing at Perth International Airport. Repeat. Delta 6346 was departed from Greater Rockford Airport and planned to land Perth International. But engine was on fire during flight and did emergency landing at Perth International Airport. Repeat. Delta 6